Welcome to video one of teaching online courses with Alliance University. And I'm going to do a series of videos that I'm going to embed into this Google slide presentation so that you can watch each piece as you go along and be able to go back and look at specific items using this Google slide training document. I like Google Slides for this kind of thing just because you can use each slide and put information within them and kind of navigate through that. So this first part is just accessing the system and resources. So from your My Apps page, you'll have the Brightspace by D2L logo, and it'll just say D2L on it. You'll want to click on that to access our instance of Brightspace. I do want to point out though, we are a Google Apps based school. So we do all of our email and everything with Google Suite. So your email is within Google Suite, all of Google Drive. There's a lot of documentation that is provided through Google Drive. And so you can find a lot of things through there or a lot of things that are linked to Google Drive. For example, this training document is linked through Google Drive. It's stored on our Google Drive. The other thing I want to point out that you will have is Faculty Portal. And this is the registrar's record, our official record of class enrollments and grades and what faculty are teaching what class. So if you have a question about what classes you're teaching or how many students are enrolled, that's all in the Faculty Portal. Things that are in the Faculty Portal should be linked and reflected in Brightspace, but that's all managed through an integration. So the Faculty Portal is a direct reflection of what the registrar's office has on record. So if you're looking for a specific information on something, that's going to be where you're going to want to look for that information, is in the Faculty Portal. Again, just to access Brightspace, which is our learning management system, you'll click on D2L to access Brightspace. A couple of things to point out with the Brightspace homepage. If you need help, you'll be able to click on Brightspace Help. Your courses are listed in two places, both under My Courses, and they're arranged by semester or by term. You also have your Quick Course Select. So if you want to make sure that a certain course always shows first, you will want to click Pin. That'll then pin the course so that the next time you access it, access your homepage, that course will now be at the top. It'll now be pinned. It'll also be the first course that displays in your My Courses widget below. And so that'll just make it easier to access, faster to find. So if you have a lot of courses, then you can pin the ones that you need to pay the most attention to get to them faster. Any announcements will be here. There's also calendar, quick eval for anything that you need to grade from any of our classes will be in quick eval. I do want to point out that if you have not completed any training and you have no familiarity with Brightspace, there is the Brightspace training resources. There are a lot of guides that are here. Many of them are linked to the Brightspace community. I will point out, depending on when you are viewing this video, some of these links may have expired. There may be some new links that are displayed, but any of our trainings that have happened with D2L, the recordings will be here in the post-training resources and then the instructor post-training resources submodule. And those links will take you to a Zoom recording. And these links expires 60 days after the recording. So where it says March 9th, 2023, that will expire around May 9th, 60 days after it occurred. So just be aware if you are watching this in, October of 2024, the links activities may be different. So, but there is the Brightspace community, which is always available. So there is Module 1, a first look at the tools, Module 2, starting to reflect, summary of kind of different things. And then there's just general instructor resources. And again, many of these are all links to the D2L community. So you can find those training resources there within the D2L training community. And if you don't have an account there, you can register for an account on that community. It's pretty easy to do.